What's going on, guys? And I'm talking about an NFT game, a play-to-earn game that is blown up all over social media today. So before I get into there, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education personally. So let's get straight in. So guys, here we are at CRYPTOFUTURE.com. It's Econia. I don't know how to pronounce it. Econia, Econia, who knows? Guys, this website is fantastic. All right, the way you go through it is very user-friendly and it drags you in. So we're building our own crypto future here, right? You get it on the App Store, you can get it on Google Play as well. Quick overview of the website, you got home, gameplay, light paper, roadmap, guide up at the top, Twitter, YouTube, and Telegram. And soon, the NFT market will be there. Now let's have a little bit of the game story. So Econia is the world of the crypto future, where high technology is intricately intertwined with elements of ARCHAISM and even magic. So gamers actually need to build their business empires, complete chains of production, goods moving between unsteady supply and demand in an ever-changing world. Let's give it a play and have a little look. So here is the trailer for you guys. All right, you can see here how they're developing their world, how they're gonna lay it out, what's gonna be the best infrastructure for their crypto future inside of here. All right, this is gonna be fantastic. It's a vast place where you can monetize it beyond your wildest dreams. All right, so for those of you that are interested, let me know in the comments straight away before we even get on with this video. So let's get off that trailer and let's have a look. Okay, some of the gameplay snapshots that you just seen, okay, are here. You can go through and have a look yourself. Very interesting. Now, what are the features? So number one, we have the gameplay where you can provide players with the best gameplay and competitive crypto rewards. Number two, you have the monetization. So you can monetize your efforts to provide ROI investors. All right, number three is the community. Of course, we love the community, guys. Build a big community for social oriented collectors. All right, this is why I'm very interested in this project. All right, looking at the roadmap, the game development timeline and main events, 2021, shooting all the way through, okay, everything they've accomplished. You can go on there and have a look yourself. I don't want to go through what we've already been through. We're in 2023 right now, and we are ready for the desktop game release in over 8+ localization languages. That's what we're talking about, getting the stacking system ready, the seasons, the battle passes, the story quests, everything, and all you gotta do is click download and get involved, all right? There's a lot of things that happen through this roadmap, so I want you to do your own research, all right? Their marketplace is very close to being ready. If you wanna subscribe to their email address, please do get your email in there and get involved because, guys, I promise you this, all right? This will be one of the biggest projects of the year. Now, for all you token fans out there, let's talk on the tokenomics. All right, we got the NEUT, Neutronium, acts as a native token and unlimited emissions. All right, it can be earned in game reward for competitions and then withdrawn to a wallet in the market. Competitions among players take place once every 4 days. According to the current plan, players will be able to play freely, trade it on once. Go through their light paper, guys. That's what I would definitely recommend, right? But NEU2 is mainly used in the game and acts as an in-game currency. It's a fantastic token. All right, they also have the governance token, which is Econ, ECON, which is a token with limited emissions that is used for a governance token and it's often used in and out of game activities. Okay, the total supply of the governance token is 1 billion tokens, which is the same number that I hope the likes get to on this video. All right, the largest number of tokens will be allocated to in-game rewards as incentives for players. Now, let's go deep into this. Number of tokens. 500 million in the in-game rewards community. That's 50%. And the liquidity pool is 230 million, 23%. Private sale is 100 million, 10%. The Shroom Games Foundation is taking 50 million for 5%. The core team, 50 million, 5%. Growth with the marketing, 30 million for 3%. The IEO is a massive 3% with 20 million. The partnerships with providers, 20 million, 2%. And the total supply, of course, like I said, is 1 billion Econ. Now, what is next? Okay, the team pays special attention to the development of high-quality tokenomics of the project, including the mechanism and distributing rewards. So they are looking at a lot of things to do with the DAO and voting, okay? With the DAOs, we give the community the chance to get involved and run the show here. Guys, do me a favor, go over to their Twitter. It's at crypto_ECONIA. Give them a massive follow. We've got 3,367. So you can see that with only 3,000+ followers, we are super easy. Now, what they're doing on here is giving away, all right? A lot of things. They're giving away 100 Econ tokens all the time if you just retweet posts and things like that. So please get away every single week. Yes, I said it. Rewind this if you need to. Every single week they're giving away tokens. All right, so get involved right now. Hit the follow. Let them know you're from this channel. All right, that's what I want from you guys. There you go, guys. Do me a massive favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.